How to change the battery in a 2018 to 2022 Toyota Camry key fob. The kind with the key on it, not the keyless fob. Need a 2032 replacement battery, flathead screwdriver on your fob. There's a little notch in this middle part here. You can take the screwdriver, fit it in there and give it a little turn. Pops the case open. And then it has this little rubber cover over the battery, hopefully, unless somebody lost it. There's also a little notch here if you can't get the battery out with your fingernail. You can use a screwdriver again and gently pry it up. And then, abracadabra, here's your new one. Slip the battery in there. Put the cover back on like that. And take the case, lay it down on top, and squeeze it shut. You hear the snap, and you're done. All done. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.